Hi. In the last video, we learned how to print all content in my organization. Today we will learn how to search items by their type. So let's start. From ArcGIS.gis, import GIS. Now connect my ArcGIS Online account. GIS equal to GIS URL. URL means my ArcGIS Online account URL. And put my ArcGIS Online account's username and password. Search items by type. But before, print all items title and type. Then we will search by their type. Items equal to gis.content dot search query It's blank means it will return all items in my organization. Max items mean it return maximum 100 items. For item in items, print item.title print comma to better understand the output item.type. This is item's title and type. Now suppose I only want to print how many feature service I have in my ArcGIS Online account. So just write feature service within this query field and run. We can see that only feature service. This is feature service title and this is type. Again, if we search only shape file, then it will print only shape file. See, this is shapefile title and this is type. I hope you understand.